Acuitas automatically prioritizes and optimizes a portfolio of opportunities that may be for a single business unit or overall for the enterprise. The Acuitas normalization logic enables you to explore a myriad of different types of investment opportunities, from M&A type projects to internal profit improvement, from a common platform and with consistent and comparable results. The demonstration of this portfolio capability will be displayed for the Evaluator Integrator Decision Support module, as it has the unique capability of optimizing across multiple projects. There are 3 separate and powerful optimization perspectives possible: versus key performance indicators, similar to the capabilities of both the Evaluator and the Simulator Decision Support modules, or investment case versus base case, again similar to the Simulator Decision Support module, or versus market of competitors. And this is a unique approach that assesses the change in the percent share of the competitive marketplace for each project across multiple time frames and quantifies the implications of these projected gains and losses in percent market share. We will demonstrate this last capability using the Integrator Prioritized Share Decision Support module. This is the Integrator Prioritized Share Decision Support module home screen. The Integrator Prioritized Share Decision Support module automatically generates its optimized results, also with a single click of a simple navigation button. For this example, we will optimize the projected results for the metric total revenues and for the change in the percent share of the total marketplace total revenues for the time period 2013 to 2015. Clicking on the Total Revenues navigation button in the base column immediately takes us to the desired part of the screen. In this example, we choose, through these pull-down menus highlighted in green, to make the following optimization choices. For the target metric, we're going to choose percent gain loss in share of total in order to focus on the change in the percent share of market over time. And for the type of analysis, we're going to choose versus percent target to focus on the optimization comparing this change in percent share of target to user set targets for this metric and time change. Now simply clicking on the Prioritize Navigation button automatically generates the desired optimization results by project in descending order in the column versus percent target, the column of the prioritization metric selected. So we'll just move over to see that this is the target that is used for the prioritization and optimization. The optimization displays the prioritization of all individual projects and where they rank versus both the average, you see the number here, and the target. At the top of the column are those projects that have most succeeded the user-defined targets as measured by the percentage by which the projected results exceed the target's percent market share gain that had been set by the Integrator Modeling Decision Support module. And it was a gain of 1% that was set as a target. And here's the best. For this example, we can see that Boston most exceeded the target as measured by the percent target by over 139%. The only other project that outperformed the target was Chicago, and it did that at 19.4%. All other projects fell short of the target, with Phoenix, we can see here, having the worst relative performance, falling short of the target set for percent market share gain by over 350%. Note that the only other project that performed above the average was Minneapolis, even though Minneapolis did fall short of the target by over 30%. Now, in addition to displaying the metric we have just demonstrated, another key feature of the Integrator Decision Support module is that it quantifies the implications of these changes in percent share upon their impact on 2015 net income. This enables the system to interpret the changes of all of the different gains and losses in percent share for all of the metrics and for all of the time ranges to a single common objective metric of net income after tax. So the implications of all of these changes are directly comparable in terms of their impact and implications. Those results show up in this column, and the results as a percentage of net income show up in this column. Now for Boston, what we can see is this means that in 2015, projected net income was $547 million higher than it would have been, that is 14.3%, had the project not achieved the projected percent gain in the market share of 2.4%, as indicated in this column headed percent gain loss in share of total. Similarly, if we look at Atlanta, what we can see is its projected 2015 net income was over $3 billion lower than it would have been compared to the case of Atlanta only maintaining the share of total revenues it had in 2013 rather than experiencing the projected loss of 1.7% based on current set of assumptions. So this unique functionality allows you to instantly see which projects are above or below target and average for all key performance metric, the amount of this over or under performance, and more critically, the amount in 2015 net income that this over or under performance is projected to advantage or disadvantage each project. Clicking on the Restore Navigation button returns this integrator prioritized shared decision support table to its original status. This concludes the demo of the integrator prioritized shared decision support module and also concludes the demonstration of several of the key competitive differentiators that allow Acuitas to accelerate benefits to executives using the Acuitas platform.